Hey guys, Ray Wise here again, and today I'm going to show you my 3 fidget spinners. Let's take a look at them. Here's the first one that I want to show you is this one. This one's black. This is my black fidget spinner. It kind of shines when the sun is up, and it's really fast to spin. Okay, I'll show you another one. This is my gray one, which has part of black on it, but there's a missing piece, and I don't know where it is. Okay, last but not least, the $sign fidget spinner. I got this one from California. I like this fidget spinner. I like to take it with me to school or anywhere with me. It helps me stay calm. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye.